Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to use and enable one-handed mode on Realme 14 Pro Plus. Let's begin. First of all, you want to make sure that you have the gestures enabled. If you have buttons, I don't think it will work for you. If you want to change those, all you have to do is go to Settings, go to System and Update, here go to System Navigation, and here you can switch from buttons to the gestures. You don't have to watch the tutorial. If you don't know the gestures, all you need to know is basically going back is swiping from either side of the screen in order to go back. And going to running apps is basically going from the bottom of your screen to the middle while holding your finger, so like this. And minimalizing everything is just the same move but without holding. So once we have the gestures enabled, we can go to the bottom of the settings and go to accessibility and convenience. Here you want to scroll down. You don't even have to scroll down, but you can see right here one-handed mode. So we click it and we simply enable it, as I don't think it is enabled by default. And as you can see, there are only two gestures in order to actually enable and disable the one-handed mode. But note that not all applications actually support it. Not every application supports pop-up view, if I remember correctly. But one-handed mode is very simple to use. All you have to do is basically just hold your finger and just like move it right here. And if you want to go back, you can just do this move from the bottom and just like that, all over. Though it has to be really close to the bar here, otherwise it won't work. And of course you can just click this arrow here in order to go back to the full screen mode. And I would say that's all for this video, but I want to warn you that one-handed mode on Realme is not as great. Because, for example, let's go to our Play Store. And as you can see, we can no longer press search bar here, because in lots of applications they've changed it so the buttons and search and basically everything is at the bottom of your screen. And sadly, what the Realme one-handed mode does is basically just cuts off bottom of your screen, like entirely. So if I would enable the one-handed mode now, as you can see, I can just scroll infinitely, but I cannot get into the magnifying glass icon, and this just won't work because I don't see my magnifying glass icon, and I can't just search anything. And I have to manually go into the we leave the one-handed mode, and then I can just search for what I need. So keep that in mind, as it is pretty, I wouldn't say annoying, but you know, you have to basically flip back between one-handed mode and not one-handed mode in order to actually use one-handed mode. But yeah, that was my little rant, and that is the end of this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.